Many photographers find themselves stuck in a long decision loop, comparing cameras, reading opinions, and watching endless videos in search of the perfect choice. It often starts with good intentions. You want to invest wisely, so you research every detail, compare performance, and analyze real-world tests. But as the days turn into weeks and sometimes months, the excitement that once drove your passion for photography begins to fade. Instead of going out and capturing moments, you keep scrolling through reviews, convinced that the ideal camera is just one more comparison away. During this time, opportunities pass quietly. The streets change, the light shifts, and stories unfold, but your focus remains locked on specifications rather than photographs. This situation feels especially ironic when considering the philosophy behind Leica. The brand was never built around endless comparison or chasing technical perfection. From its earliest days, Leica cameras were designed to simplify photography. They were compact, quiet, and intuitive, allowing photographers to blend into their surroundings and react naturally to the world. The photographers who helped define Leica's legacy weren't switching systems every year or debating minor technical differences. They chose a camera, learned it deeply, and allowed it to become an extension of their vision. Their attention stayed on timing, composition, and storytelling, not on equipment. Modern camera culture, however, has shifted the focus. With constant product releases and online discussions, it's easy to believe that creative growth depends on upgrading gear. Each new model promises improvements in autofocus, resolution, or video features. While these advancements are valuable, they can also create a subtle sense of dissatisfaction with what you already own. You begin to wonder if another camera might unlock better results or simplify your workflow. Over time, this mindset transforms photography into a technical puzzle where the perfect combination of features always seems just out of reach. This is where the Leica Q3 enters the conversation in a unique way. At first glance, it might appear to be the most limiting option because it uses a fixed lens. Many photographers immediately associate the idea of a fixed lens with reduced flexibility. The modern expectation is that creative freedom comes from switching focal lengths and building a versatile kit. Yet the Q3 quietly challenges that assumption. Instead of offering more choices, it reduces them, encouraging a different kind of creativity rooted in consistency and familiarity. At the heart of the camera is a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor capable of delivering extraordinary detail. This level of resolution changes how photographers think about framing. With such high image quality, cropping becomes a practical and powerful tool. You can compose slightly wider, then refine the frame later without sacrificing clarity. Leica's triple resolution system allows shooting at 60, 36, or 18 megapixels, giving flexibility while maintaining simplicity. In real-world use, this effectively turns a single focal length into multiple creative options without ever changing lenses. The lens paired with that sensor is a 28mm f/1.7 Summilux with optical image stabilization. This focal length sits in a balanced position between wide storytelling and subject intimacy. It allows you to include context while still moving close enough to capture emotion. The fast aperture ensures strong performance in low light and provides gentle background separation when needed. Together, the lens and sensor create a combination that encourages photographers to engage more actively with their environment. Instead of zooming, you move. Instead of swapping lenses, you change perspective. Over time, this approach builds a stronger connection between photographer and scene. Photographers who spend several months with a single focal length often notice a shift in how they see. At first, they may feel restricted. They might miss the convenience of zooming or the option to switch lenses. But gradually, that feeling fades. The 28mm perspective becomes familiar, then comfortable, and eventually instinctive. You begin to anticipate how scenes will look before raising the camera. Composition becomes faster and more natural. The camera stops feeling like a complicated device and instead becomes a transparent tool that captures what you already see in your mind. From a performance standpoint, the Q3 remains thoroughly modern. Its hybrid autofocus system combines phase and contrast detection, allowing accurate tracking of eyes, faces, bodies, and animals. This reliability helps you focus on timing rather than technical adjustments. Burst shooting reaches up to 15 frames per second, providing enough speed for dynamic moments. The electronic viewfinder offers a detailed and immersive experience, while the tilting touchscreen adds flexibility for different shooting angles. These features provide convenience without complicating the overall experience. Video capabilities further expand its usefulness. The camera supports 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K recording at 60 frames per second with 10-bit color. For slow motion, full HD recording reaches up to 120 frames per second. These options make the camera appealing to hybrid creators, yet they remain secondary to its primary strength: still photography. Despite advanced technology, the camera never feels overwhelming. Everything is contained within a single compact body, ready to use at any moment. This simplicity becomes especially powerful in everyday photography. On the street, the camera remains discreet and quick, allowing genuine moments to unfold naturally. The fast lens gathers light easily, and stabilization helps maintain sharpness in challenging conditions. Because you aren't thinking about gear changes, your attention stays on observing human interaction and fleeting expressions. Travel photography benefits even more from this streamlined approach. Carrying one camera instead of multiple lenses reduces both physical weight and mental distraction. You move more freely, stay present in new environments, and react faster to unexpected scenes. Portrait photography also gains a distinctive character. Shooting closer with a 28mm lens captures both the subject and their surroundings, creating images that feel grounded in context. This approach often results in portraits that feel more authentic and connected to a story. The wide aperture still provides control over depth of field, allowing subtle separation while maintaining environmental detail. Other Leica cameras continue to serve different needs. The rangefinder experience offers a tactile, deliberate rhythm for photographers who enjoy manual focus and traditional methods. A professional mirrorless system provides flexibility for demanding workflows and interchangeable lenses. Yet for photographers seeking clarity rather than complexity, a single camera with a consistent perspective often proves more inspiring. It removes decision fatigue and encourages deeper familiarity with one tool. Ultimately, the most significant impact of a simplified setup is psychological. When you stop comparing and start shooting, hesitation disappears. The camera becomes less important than the scene in front of you. You begin to notice light, timing, and storytelling again. Photography returns to being an intuitive process rather than a technical exercise. Over time, you realize that creativity rarely depends on having the most options. Instead, it grows from consistency, practice, and engagement with the world. For many photographers, this realization marks a turning point. They discover that they never needed an endless collection of lenses or constant upgrades. What they needed was a camera that encouraged them to focus on seeing. A single, well-designed tool can remove distractions and restore the joy that first drew them to photography. When the equipment fades into the background, the act of capturing moments becomes effortless again, and the images begin to reflect not the complexity of the gear, but the clarity of the photographer's vision.